Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. I hope you're all doing really well. So welcome to my latest video. It feels like it's been ages since I uploaded on my main channel. I've been uploading more regularly on my vlogging channel. Just search for Shamsa Vlogs and it should come up in case you've been wondering what I've been up to. So for most people, when it gets to January, you think about new year, new me. When it got to January 2025, the first thing that came to my mind was Ramadan 2025. So inshallah, Ramadan is at the end of February, and for the past few weeks I've just been tidying up, cleaning up and trying to sort the house out in time for Ramadan. Everywhere is quite messy and we needed to upgrade a few things, so that's what I've been doing. So in this video I'm going to share our storeroom makeover, and I decided to make over our bathroom upstairs because I had some spare paint, so I thought why not. But first of all, I'm just baking a banana loaf. So this was on a Sunday when it was snowing, and I was in the mood to make a delicious banana cake or banana loaf, and I basically just chuck all the ingredients in a mixing bowl and then mix it together with this hand blender. I'll put the ingredients in the description for you. I really enjoy making this for breakfast on a weekend morning. And I can't resist a bit of ground cinnamon on top. Anyway, I hope you guys have been well. What have you been up to? Anything exciting? If you're Muslim, have you been getting yourself ready for Ramadan, or is it still a bit too early for you? So mashallah, that was a delicious banana cake. Let's get on to the storeroom. So this is what our storeroom currently looks like. We've never actually painted it or put any flooring down since we moved in. We've got extra food storage in there. I've been buying quite a few gadgets, like recently I bought a pressure cooker or an instant pot, and we've run out of places to put these things. So I've been dumping them in the storeroom, but I thought that's enough now. I need to really sort it out. So that's what it looks like to begin with. So off we went to B&M, picked up a few things to paint with, including some actual paint and some flooring. I got this natural sage paint, and then I made a start on clearing out the storeroom. This is not a fun part of it, clearing everything out from that room, which we've just been throwing things in for the past few years and not actually sorting out. So first of all, I've got this brown old shelf that I'm emptying. And then I pushed the shelf out and then proceeded to clear everything out from the storeroom. I found some change in one of my kids' coats. I did give it back to him. I didn't nick it or anything, guys, I promise. So all of this stuff, I put it in the kitchen. The kitchen was an absolute tip. You're gonna see it in a minute. This shelf is really useful. We've been using it to store our groceries and tins and things like that. And as you can see, it was quite dirty, and it was wonderful just to get everything out and ready for a makeover. So this is what the kitchen looked like. Those are all the things that were in the storeroom. Wow, impressive, right? So the next thing I did was to clean the walls as best as I could. So the bin is in this room and it just gets dirty, so please excuse the dirty walls and the dirty floor, but we're gonna sort that out, aren't we? That's what this is all about. So I'm just pouring the paint out. Very satisfying, very loving. And then I just go ahead and paint everything. Rather therapeutic. But knowing just how much mess there was on the other side of the door made it less therapeutic, I must admit. The door kept closing, by the way. It's not a ghost or anything or a jinn. I was trying to hold it open with the door stopper, but it wasn't doing a great job and it just kept closing on me. So don't worry, loves, it's not a ghost. Not that I believe in ghosts anyway, but there you go. So anyway, I'm just painting away. I had to paint it twice or 2 coats. And then I painted the skirting board. And there it is, all painted and nice and tidy, apart from the floor. So later that day, Akil sorted out the floor, so he put the underlay and then the flooring that we got from B&M, and it's good quality. It's £50 for like a mat. I think it's 2 meters by 3 meters, and yeah, it's useful for different places in the house. The kids were putting all the groceries back on the shelves. We bought 2 more of the shelves, like the black one at the back of the storeroom. These are from Argos. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description to the shelves. So we used the shelves at the back for mainly food storage and groceries and a few extra things. And this white shelf on the right hand side, it's got gadgets and like the blender, some tissues, sandwich toaster, waffle maker, kitchen mixer, things like that. It's been really useful, that shelf. That shelf is from B&M. If I can find the product on their website, I'll link that as well for you. I think it was £25, and the black shelves, I think they're £20 maybe. So we had one already, and then we bought another 2 which fit perfectly on the back wall. And it's just nice that there's space for lots of different things, and we're not climbing over things to get things from the storeroom. They've got their actual place. Also, Akil put some foam on the ceiling because we bang our heads there very often. I always bang my head there. That's why I'm so crazy, loves. That's the real reason. So like I said, we had some paint left over, and our upstairs bathroom gets quite moldy. I've mentioned this before, that we don't actually have a window in there. We've got like a sunlight. I don't know what it's called officially, but we do get sunlight from the ceiling, but there's no window that opens. So any fresh air in the bathroom is from one of the bedrooms. It doesn't actually come from the bathroom or the corridor. So anyway, it gets quite moldy. And I thought the best thing is to just give it a nice little paint, especially since we had some spare paint. So yeah, it's that same natural sage. And yeah, I'm just painting away. I actually had to do 3 coats for the bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom was in quite a messy state. It's just one of those things that you don't really want to deal with, but then you're like, okay, it's time. It's time you deal with this, love, you said to yourself. Please don't mind how beautiful I look in this video with my painted clothes and messiness. You know you love it really. Bought this shelf from B&M. It was in a sage as well, which matched beautifully with the walls. Then I used Sillet Bang mold spray to clean the grout between the tiles. And then the bath panel definitely needed an upgrade. And instead of changing the bath panels, I thought I'm sure I can use some DC Fix or this sticky back plastic stuff. So I checked online on YouTube and TikTok to see if anyone's done it, and I did see a couple of videos, so I thought, okay, let's go ahead and do it. So I did it, but it was quite fiddly and I've not applied it perfectly. Also, the type of DC Fix I chose maybe wasn't the best. I should have got a more plasticky one, I think. But mashallah, I think it looks nice and it's holding on for now. It's not peeling off or anything. Next thing, I took this border off the mirror, which I added last time I did a little makeover for the bathroom. Gave the mirror a nice little clean. Applied some more Sillet Bang onto the tiles and then used the same DC Fix glittery one for a border for the mirror, and it turned out quite nice, mashallah. Next thing, I was just accessorizing. I've got this lovely peace lily plant. I also bought this shelf from B&M. Looks really cute. Put a snake plant on there and this lovely reed diffuser. This was from Home Bargains, the reed diffuser, the snake plant we've had for a while. And then I thought I'd make some nice little frames. So I went to this website, it was free. Printed off some nice images. I got these frames from Poundland. I had some card. I actually only used the white card. So I chose the prints I wanted and then printed them off, popped them into the frames. I think they look really cute. Put them on the bathroom wall and mashallah, I'm really impressed with the way it looks. It looks better than I thought it would because I didn't actually do much to sort the bathroom out, but I think the little frames and the plants just add a nice touch, and I really like the natural sage colour. I think it's wonderful for a bathroom. The spray, I bought it from Home Bargains. And there's everything I've done so far to get ready for Ramadan. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it gave you some ideas. Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much for watching. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Salam. Bye.